Pearl.
He's standing like a bubble man.
Where's Mike the fish at? Pearl. Hey Pearl, where's the fish? Okay, Curtis. Pearl, where's the fish? Be nice to her, Kurt. She will bite you. She cannot scratch you, but she will bite you. Oh, hi, Mike the fish. Hi, Mike. Just swimming around.
Just sitting around. Hey,
Pearl. Hi, baby. Meow. Where'd Mike go, Pearl? Where did he go? Where's the fish at, Pearl? Where's the fish at?
Butterscotch tail.
She does have a butterscotch tail.
What kind of tail?
A butterscotch tail.
A butterscotch tail.
You sure are funny, Pearl.
He's kissing the fish tank.
Oh yeah, she's kissing the fish tank.
He's getting no more at.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Pearl.